Want to know the 3 best ways to earn free PayPal money fast? Well, you're in for a treat because that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We live in a digital world where opportunities to earn are literally at our fingertips. But the question is, how do you tap into these opportunities? That's where we come in. We've done the research, sifted through the scams, and are ready to share with you fast, free, and legitimate ways to grow your PayPal balance. We're not talking about a few pennies here and there. We're talking about meaningful amounts that can make a real difference. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, paying off debt, or just want some extra spending money, these methods can help. So grab your digital notepad, get comfy, and prepare to learn. Stay tuned to find out how you can start earning free PayPal money today. The first method to earn free PayPal money is by completing online surveys. Now, you might be wondering, what are online surveys? Well, they're exactly what they sound like. Various companies and organizations are eager to understand consumer behavior and preferences. To do this, they create surveys that ask a series of questions about a range of topics. That's where you come in. By taking these surveys, you're providing valuable information that these companies use to improve their products and services. Let's talk about how this works. It's actually quite simple. You sign up on a survey site, fill out some demographic information, and then start receiving survey invitations. Each survey you complete earns you points, which can then be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. The amount you earn per survey can vary, but every little bit adds up. Now you might be asking, how do I find legitimate survey sites? That's a great question. There are numerous survey sites out there, but not all are created equal. Some of the top-rated ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. These sites have a solid reputation and have been around for a while. They also offer a variety of surveys, so you're bound to find something that suits your interests. However, it's important to be cautious. Be wary of sites that ask for payment to join or that promise unrealistically high earnings. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick with well-established sites and you'll be on the right track. Now let's talk about potential earnings. The amount you can earn from online surveys varies, but it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side. Some people even manage to earn a few $100s a month. Just remember, consistency is key. The more surveys you take, the more you'll earn. So by sharing your opinion, you can earn free money directly into your PayPal account. It's a win-win situation. You get to voice your thoughts and opinions, and in return, you get rewarded. So why not give it a try? The second method to earn free PayPal money is by doing freelance work online. You may be wondering, what exactly is freelancing? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Freelancing is essentially being self-employed and not being committed to any long-term employer. It's all about offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. There's a wide variety of freelance work available, catering to an array of skills and interests. You could be a graphic designer, web developer, content writer, translator, or even a virtual assistant. The list is nearly endless. It's all about identifying what you're good at and how you can leverage those skills to meet the needs of potential clients. Now, you might be asking, how do I find these freelance jobs? The good news is there are numerous online platforms designed specifically to connect freelancers with clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a few examples where you can create a profile, list your skills, and start bidding on relevant projects. But remember, it's not just about finding a job, it's about finding the right job. Take the time to read the project description carefully. Understand what the client is looking for, and make sure it's a task you can confidently deliver on. When it comes to potential earnings, the sky is the limit. Some freelancers earn a few $100s a month, while others pull in a few thousand. It all depends on your skills, the demand for those skills, and of course, the amount of time you're willing to put in. Freelancing not only provides a flexible work schedule, but also puts money directly into your PayPal. You're in control of your work, your time, and your earnings. What's more empowering than that? Before we reveal the third method, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's a small action, but it goes a long way in supporting our channel, and it ensures you never miss out on terrific content like this. We're all about sharing valuable tips, tricks, and strategies to help you navigate the world of online earnings, and subscribing is the best way to stay updated. But there's even more to it than that. We're excited to announce that as our community grows, we're rewarding our loyal subscribers. Once we hit the milestone of 10,000 subscribers, one lucky commenter will receive a little extra in their PayPal account. It's our way of saying thank you for being a part of our journey and for your ongoing support. So, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and stay tuned for more. Now let's dive into the third method. The third and final method to earn free PayPal money is by using cashback apps and websites. Now you might be asking, what are cashback apps and websites? Well, they are platforms that give you a percentage of your money back when you make purchases through them. Think of it as a modern-day version of collecting coupons or hunting for deals, but with a digital twist. Instead of cutting out paper coupons, you're clicking on digital ones. Instead of getting a discount at the checkout, you're getting cash back into your account after your purchase. How do they work? It's fairly simple. These apps and websites partner with retailers who pay them a commission for sending customers their way. In turn, these platforms share a portion of that commission with you, the shopper. Now that's a win-win situation. So, how do you find legitimate cashback apps and websites? Do your research. Look for platforms with positive reviews and check out their partnerships. The more reputable retailers they're associated with, the more likely they are to be legit. Some popular cashback platforms include Rakuten, Swagbucks, and Top Cashback. Now let's talk potential earnings. The amount you can earn varies from platform to platform and from retailer to retailer. It could be as little as 1% or as much as 20%. It all depends on the specific deals available at any given time. While it might not seem like a lot, it can add up over time and become a nice little bonus in your PayPal account. Remember, these platforms won't make you a millionaire overnight. They're more about giving you a little extra pocket money for expenses you were going to make anyway. With cashback apps and websites, you can earn money just by shopping. So why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and some free PayPal money to gain. So there you have it, the 3 best ways to earn free PayPal money fast. First, we dived into the world of online surveys, a simple and effective method that can fit into any schedule. Then we explored the realm of freelance work. It's a little more involved, but the potential earnings are truly worth it. And finally, we looked at cashback apps and websites, a method that rewards you for purchases you were going to make anyway. Each of these methods brings unique benefits and opportunities to the table. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just want to make a little extra on the side, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals. So, why not give them a try? Share your experiences and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, and remember, once we reach 10,000 subscribers, a lucky commenter will get a chance to win free money.